You have to be cautious. There is a reward for those that are brave and punishment for those that are too brave. It's going to be an interesting rally. My age, winning or competing is no longer priority, is no longer the dream. It's just sharing what the good memories I have and the lessons I learned from rallying in the 70s and 80s. It's something I can share with my son, the memories, the experiences, and the life lessons I learned from this sport.
Brings a lot of very good memories because his stages was used during the late 90s and early 2000. I was able to run a few of these stages before in the early 2000s, and makes me very, very happy that I had a special chance to pass by these roads again.
Talented driver, I have to up my game. Siyempre, may instinct siya na natural sa kanya. So, I have to keep up din talaga. So,
Nag-perfect combo naman.
Oo.
Ibang experience na naman yung naano po namin dito sa Nueva Ecija po.
Tsaka nakakatuwa kasi, yung nung heydays ng rally, nung 80s, 90s, ginagamit din talaga daw yung Nueva Ecija. Yung mga matatandang locals doon, sinishare nga nila na parang natutuwa rin sila na bumalik nga rin yung racing doon sa lugar nila.
Sarap ng feeling. Kaiba talaga. First time ko nag-rally.
First time niya tumakbo. Tapos first time ko rin nag-navigate. Diba? Masarap.
Enjoy talaga. Nakakatakot para sa akin is 1 and 2, 7 and 8. Yung palayan at irrigation. Either kaliwa o kanan.
Putik o
pareho
tubig.
Deads.
Basta ang ano lang naman namin, kailangan safe kami na medyo may tulin. Tapos bandang kalagitnaan to finish na, dapat i-preserve na namin yung kotse hanggang sa finish line.